Dear students, welcome to online class Structural Engineering 1 Reinforced Cement Concrete Lecture 2. In this lecture 2, I am going to explain Unit 1 topics. What are the topics in the Unit 1? In Unit 1, introduction of structure. What is the meaning of structure? Components of structure. What are the components of structure? RCC, columns, beams, slabs, footings. What are the different types of structures? According to material, we have different types of structures. Equilibrium and compatibility, safety and stability, loads. What are the loads? Different types of loads. Dead load, live load, earthquake load, and wind load forces. All these loads are acting on the structure. What is the mean by design? Different types of materials, that is reinforced concrete, RCC, pre-stressed concrete, PSC, and steel structures. Planning of structural elements. What are the concepts of RCC design? What are the different methods of design? Working stress method, ultimate state method, and limit state method. What are the load combinations as per limit state method? We have different load combinations like live load, dead load, live load, dead load, wind load, live load, dead load, wind load, earthquake load. There are different types of load combinations. Materials. What are the materials we are using in the constructions? What are the characteristic values? Characteristic values means strength, grade of concrete, partial safety factors, behavior and properties of concrete. What are the properties of concrete? And steel. Stress block parameter as per IS 456-2000. This is one of the important, very important topic, stress block parameters. If you understand this concept, so you will understand every topic in this RCC subject. Stress block parameter as per IS 456-2000. IS 456-2000 is a code book in which you will see all design requirements of RCC in the IS 456. And limit state analysis and design of sections, inflexure, behavior of RCC section, under flexure, rectangular, T and L sections. That is singly reinforced beams, doubly reinforced beam, detailing of reinforcement. This is unit wise first unit topics. See, if you understand this first unit, it is very easy to follow other unit. Next, introduction, topic wise, introduction of structures. Structural engineering 1. RCC, reinforced cement concrete. What is structural engineering? It is one of the important subject in the civil engineering. It is the specialty within the field of civil engineering, which focus on the framework of structures and on designing those structures to withstand the stresses and pressures and the environment and remain safe, stable and secure throughout their use. Now, people are very happy who are living in the buildings, high-rise structures, in commercial buildings, offices, because of civil engineering. See, we are designing the structures, framework to withstand the stresses and pressures, and also we are considering environment safe, stable and secure. We are giving security for the people or persons who are using these structure. So this subject is very important. Yeah, without shelter, without building, see, there is nothing, no other branch. You can't imagine. So because of these structures, because of this safe and stable structures, buildings, we are here. So this is structural engineering. See, I will read the definition once again. Structural engineering, a specialty within the field of civil engineering, which focus on the framework of structures and on designing those structures to withstand stresses and pressures of their environment and remain safe, stable and secure throughout their use. So this is one of the short question. What is the definition of structural engineering? Next, see, this is I will show some of the figures. This is one of the building. Who designed? Civil engineers. It is proud for us. See, this building is safe. Those who are living, they are happy. This is one type of steel structure. This is a structure without columns, load bearing wall structure. You will see only slabs and brick masonry. Yeah, this is one of the commercial complex building where people are enjoying. See, without any fear, with secure, they are able to do their works in this building because of only civil engineers design. See, what is structural engineering? As discussed, it is a branch of civil engineering which involves the application of the laws of the physics, mathematics, and empirical knowledge safely design the bones and load bearing elements of man-made structures. See, civil engineering is one of the important branch. In that, structural engineering is one of the important subject in civil engineering, which involves the application of the laws of physics, mathematics, and empirical knowledge to safely design the bones and load bearing elements of the man-made structures. See, this is underlined. Modern day structural engineering provide a large and detailed body of knowledge that can accurately predict the performance of different shapes and materials used in structures to resist loads and stresses on structures. See, in next lecture, I will show you some of the figures and some of the videos related to the structural engineering.